Welcome to our guide on downloading Fortnite on your Android device in 2025. Excited to jump into the battle? Let's start off with what Fortnite is all about on Android. Before downloading, let's ensure your device meets the requirements. You'll need an Android version 8.0 and up, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, and a decent processor for the best experience. You can download Fortnite from the official Epic Games website. Avoid third-party sites to keep your device safe. First, you need to enable unknown sources in your settings. Head to Security Settings and toggle the option to allow installations from unknown sources. Now, download the Epic Games app. It's essential for downloading Fortnite on your Android device. After downloading the Epic Games app, find Fortnite in the app and tap Install. It will take a little time, so hang tight. Once installed, open the game and log in with your Epic Games account. You can also choose your preferences for the gameplay experience. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or revisit the installation steps. You're not alone. Many players go through these challenges. Keep your game current by allowing automatic updates. Fortnite frequently releases patches, so staying updated means a better gaming experience. And that's it. You are now ready to conquer the world of Fortnite on your Android device. Dive in and have a blast.